5 ways to get silky smooth armpits without shaving them. Summer is a time for light dresses, tank tops, shorts, and of course, bikinis. These are beautiful and all, but it's a real pain for people who like their legs and armpits to be hairless. Shaving causes irritation, ingrown hair, and results that only last 24 hours at most. Despite that, 77% of millennial women were still shaving in 2017, while the other 33% decided to go natural. It's time to consider some alternatives. 5mcg has collected 5 DIY ways to fight body hair so we can throw the razor away once and for all. If you're really serious about it, check out our bonus tip at the end of the video. 1. Sugar plus lemon juice. Sugar and lemon are well-known ingredients when it comes to fighting unwanted hair. They're components of a sugaring paste, a wax-like substance that removes hair easily and for a long time. Though the process is painful, the results can last up to 4 weeks and don't cause as much ingrown hair. By the way, if you add honey, you can easily make it in a microwave. For this, you'll need 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of honey, juice from half lemon, 2 tablespoons. Mix the ingredients in a bowl and stir until smooth, then put it in a microwave for 2 minutes. Take it out and stir every 20 to 30 seconds. Let cool before use. Lemon is acidic, so it also acts as a bleaching agent, making your hair light and almost unnoticeable while also slowing down hair growth. Here's a remedy that can help you out with this. Take 2 tablespoons of sugar and half cups of warm water. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and stir well. Apply it to the armpits and leave for 20 minutes. Wash off with warm water using slight rubbing motions. Repeat 2 to 3 times a week. If you use these 2 together, you won't have problems in between your sugaring sessions, like when your hair is becoming visible but isn't long enough to pull out. 2. Egg white plus cornstarch. Have you ever tried a peel-off face mask? If the answer is yes, you probably know it's more effective at removing body hair than it is at removing blackheads. So why not make this kind of mask for your underarms? Crack an egg, pour the white into a bowl, and put the yolk away. Add half a tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and stir thoroughly. Apply the paste to the hairy area and leave until dry. Yes, you'll have to sit with your arms up, so be patient. After that, say bye to your hair and peel it off. 3. Milk plus turmeric. Here's another remedy to make your underarm hair grow slowly and to get thinner every time. All you need is 3 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of milk. Easy, right? Now mix these 2 into a thick paste and apply it to your underarms for 20-30 minutes until the paste is completely dry. When the time's up, take a washcloth, wet it with warm water, and rub the mask off with circular motions. After that, wash what's left and dry with a towel. Repeat regularly for a visible effect. 4. Papaya plus turmeric. Yep, here's an exotic one. Papaya contains papain, an enzyme capable of destroying the hair follicles, preventing their regrowth. Take 1-2 tablespoons of mashed raw papaya, mix it with half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, and stir well. Apply it to the problem area, and massage it gently but thoroughly. Leave the paste for 15 minutes and wash off. The remedy is effective only in the long run though, so repeat it 2-3 times a week for several months to achieve amazing results. 5. Turmeric plus baking soda. If you'd rather eat papaya than waste it on hair removal, here's a less exotic remedy. It's really easy to make, and the results come faster than you'd think. To make it, put 1 part turmeric, 2 parts baking soda and mix it with water. Add the water gradually while mixing the ingredients to form a thin paste. Apply it to the armpits and let dry. Rub the mixture away with your hands, then wash and pat the armpits dry. Remember that turmeric has a bright orange color, and your skin may change a bit, so be patient and prepare for more rubbing. Bonus: permanent hair removal. However awesome these DIY remedies are, you need to repeat them to maintain results. Yet there's a sure way to get rid of unwanted hair once and for all. We're talking about electrical epilation, which is the only way to remove up to 100% of hair, no matter what color it is. This method uses a tiny needle that enters each hair follicle and destroys the root from the inside. Sounds scary, right? But unlike other methods, it removes even gray hair, so it's a decision that can be made by a person of any age. Yes, it's also painful, expensive, time-consuming, and even requires that you follow some rules between the sessions to achieve the promised results. Yet for many people, all this is worth it. How do you treat your underarm hair? Do you remove it or let it grow? If you prefer getting rid of it, what's your favorite remedy? Would you consider permanent treatment? Share your thoughts in the comments below.